Welcome to Grasmere, a peaceful village nestled in the heart of Cumbria's Lake District, surrounded by rolling hills, stone cottages and tranquil waters. Though small in size, Grasmere holds a big place in English history and culture. It's a picturesque village, famous for its connections to the poet William Wordsworth, its breathtaking landscapes and its world-famous Grasmere Gingerbread. This little spot is one of Cumbria's most beloved destinations. In this video, we'll explore a brief history of Grasmere, the story of William Wordsworth and Dove Cottage, and a scenic walk around Grasmere Lake. Whether you're planning a trip to the Lake District or simply love English history and countryside escapes, Grasmere is a place you'll fall in love with. Its story dates back centuries, but it became truly famous in the early 19th century thanks to the poet William Wordsworth, who once described Grasmere as the loveliest spot that man hath ever found. Wordsworth lived here in Dove Cottage from 1799 to 1808, writing many of his most cherished poems inspired by the landscapes around him. Today, his home is preserved as a museum where visitors can step back in time and see how the poet lived. Just nearby is St Oswald's Church, the resting place of Wordsworth and his family, where thousands of visitors come each year to pay their respects. But Grasmere isn't only about history. The lake itself is perfect for a gentle walk, or simply enjoying the views. Every season paints a different picture, from autumn's golden leaves to the fresh green of spring. And of course, no visit to Grasmere is complete without tasting its world-famous gingerbread, a recipe created by Sarah Nelson in 1854 that's still baked in a little shop by the church today. Grasmere is more than a village. It's a place where poetry, history and nature comes together. A quiet corner of England that continues to inspire visitors just as it once inspired Wordsworth. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed the journey through Grasmere, be sure to like, subscribe and join us for more adventures across the lakes. Until then, keep hovering and keep discovering.